What's up guys, welcome to a new video. A video a day keeps the doctor away. In this next video we're going to be upgrading the business plan. We started up last video, you can see it in the top right here, right there Zoti. There's a link to it where we made a very simple business plan. Now we're gonna expand and work on it a little bit. Let's go. So there's no snow at the place I am right now, but yeah, let's continue the conversation. Last time we started with the business plan and some basic stuff you gotta do, is like legal procedures, registering the company. I should buy a stabilizer, Glean More, whatever it's called. But yeah, so you would need to register the company, some traffic sources, and on another video we discussed email marketing. But what we're going to talk about today is actually it's kind of weird talking to the camera and people looking at me, how you can get traffic via SEO. One of the traffic sources you have, search engine optimization, SEO. This is part of your business plan because this is the organic search views you get. First thing you gotta do is get an SEO optimization for your website, which basically means adding a lot of tags to get ranking. One of the first things you gotta do is register on Google Search Console. You gotta verify your website. Second thing you gotta do, the tags on your website. Oh, you gotta add the sitemap of your website. It's XML, I think. It's pretty easy to do that if you're using WooCommerce. There's an option to get the XML file. It's a link, you add it to Search Console, it tracks your sitemap. Then you add some tags, and then this will put you on the map depending on your competition and your niche. Obviously, to add tags, first off you gotta know which was the right tags for you to use. Some niche tags that are low competition but high search volume. But the first thing you should do is just add tags. Then you can re-optimize around the tags that bring you conversions, which is something you can track with Search Console, kind of track with analytics. You can track it with the keyword search too, depending on the bid adjustment per keyword. And then what you gotta do is make more pages on your website, maybe articles about free tips for your niche or other free information you can provide people. You have more tags. The other thing that is good about this is when you have articles in your website, on your website, it actually hires the retention rate for your viewers, because if they start reading an article you get higher retention rate, better SEO or search engine optimization, the place you stand at Google. My right hand is kind of tired, so switch. So I should cross the road here. Another thing you should take into consideration when you're doing the optimizing is your budget, obviously. SEO article starts from $5 per article and goes up to $25 on Fiverr. I have a Fiverr link down below if you want to register. But if you're living in the USA, it's not a bad investment, because, and you should stick to the same guy if you're doing SEO, because it will take him some time to get to understand your niche, to write some articles that provide value. If you're looking in the USA and your McDonald's salary is $10 an hour, then paying $10 for an article is good. The size doesn't matter when it comes to articles that much. It depends how many links you would put in an article. It's not a sure science. Some say 5 to 7 links. Some people get away with putting 10. You can test that out, obviously, but you should surely get that going as a traffic source. Another thing you can do is you gotta find a Wikipedia moderator to make some post about you on the platform, because Wikipedia backlinks are very high valued. Another thing you can do is go on Quora and try to reply to some questions that people have. For example, you have construction work and some common questions someone would ask in construction. You answer it, you provide value, and you put your links there. Trusted website is another website where you can put your links. Forums for your niche is really important. Maybe you can have threads and bump them, use an auto bumper. It's not that expensive to get one made. If there are rules for every 4 hours you get 6 bumps a day. If it's a high traffic website, that's really good, because what happens is you go on the website, you register, and the conversions you get are really high. The traffic you get from these kind of websites, first the backlinks obviously, but as a traffic source you get a lot of conversions, because you don't need that much customer education to get things done. So these are some basic tips that I want to share with you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you give this video a like, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. See you in the next one. Bye.